Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I have to say there's a ton of these little apes zipping around and a lot of them are driven by kids. It's like they've discovered the apes, but I'm not here to talk ape. I'm here to talk about a really cool property we found. Now I know nothing about it other than it is for sale and it is a palazzo and it is to redo, but it's right in Torrita di Siena in the old town, which is stunningly beautiful. And on the outside of Torrita, there's all kinds of shops and everything. It's a very, very busy place. Check it out, guys. Okay, guys, we are just outside the gates of Torrita di Siena, and we see this palazzo for sale. It is a redo. It is a redo, but let me tell you something. What a cool building, and it has a panoramic garden. This is absolutely gorgeous. Listen, if you're interested, let us know, and we'll contact the owner for you.